If you are getting zero views on your videos, you need to do this one thing. And I'm going to keep this video very short, very simple. I'm not going to go into much detail like a lot of videos do because this is a very simple technique that worked for me, which is why I'm going to share this with you. So the thing is that you start experimenting with different types of content. Now, what people do is they could start to look for a niche based on the kind of skills that they have or the kind of knowledge that they already know. Now, what ends up happening is that most of the time, people might not enjoy watching your content, or it might not even be something that they will be searching for. And even if they do search for it, your content will not be as good as many other content creators out there who are already doing the work that you're trying to do. So, what you need to understand is the audience, what the audience actually wants. The audience wants a type of content that is unique, that is not offered by any other person. So you need to know what that uniqueness is. And you can only realize that by experimenting, creating different kinds of content. For example, you have different skills that you want to teach on YouTube. And you say, okay, I'm going to pick a niche. For example, I'm going to teach graphic design to different people on YouTube. But you see that it's not working. You're not getting views. Now, what you can do is you can see what other things that you know, what other type of skills that you already have. So you start making content based on that and put that out there. Now you put out different types of content. You can create informational videos, tutorials, all those things. You can put all those things out there because right now your channel does not have much views, so you can feel free to experiment. Now, this is only for those people who are getting zero views, not getting much views, who are literally starting out and not making it. So go ahead and start experimenting with the different kinds of content that you can create. And then you need to see that, okay, what kind of videos people actually want to watch, or which of my videos are getting more views. Then you start to create more videos based on that content that people are watching the most. So, this is the basic idea behind experimentation. I hope you will find this video useful and hopefully you will start experimenting, and I'll see you in another video.